Durgapur. Sorry for that disturbance. Yeah. So, what are you all looking forward to from this session to learn? All right. So, you can send your messages to host and co-hosts. So, we have changed the settings now. So, we will see your messages and we will respond accordingly. Over to Sai. Sai, over to you for the session.
A very good evening, everyone. First of all, I'm very sorry. I apologize from our end for the inconvenience. So we'll be starting the session for now. So all of you, welcome. A good evening, everyone. And this program is brought to you by artificial by IBM Skills Build. Yeah, I hope everyone know what is IBM Skills Build. So this is our first day, the orientation session on Winter Certification Program 2025. So now we will be discussing on various topics. So I request everyone to please be attentive. And end of the session, we will be sharing attendance sheet with you, so that please be till the end of the session, so that I'll make sure that the session will be more interactive, and I'll make sure your time will not be uh, bored, or I'll not make your evening a bored evening. Yeah. So all of you, welcome to the Applied Artificial Intelligence Learn, Build, and Create an AI Agent. Yeah. Can we go ahead? Yeah. So today, so uh, so sorry for that. One second. Well, I'll just reshare my screen.
So, in case of any inappropriate responses or reactions, we will be removing you from the meeting because there are enough number of participants who really, really want to be part of this meeting, but we cannot allow them because of the limits, and they are watching on YouTube. So, if we see any inappropriate comments, we are going to remove you from the meeting. One of the person I am removing is Om Rajput. Thank you so much for joining. We are removing you from the meeting, and if we are going to see any other inappropriate comment, we are going to remove you from the meeting. Please maintain the decorum. We can even check your email ID and your college through your email ID and even other stuff as well. And we will reach out directly to your authorities, principals, and other people. So be very careful how you are responding and reacting and behaving in this meeting.
Yeah. Can I go
Please
ahead?
sign.
Yeah. I think, yeah. Can you hear me? Yes.
Mm,
Can you hear me? Anyone, please
yes, yes, yes.
unmute
You're
up.
audible,
Yeah.
Sai.
So sorry for the inconvenience. So today the agenda will be, I'll be explaining you what is IBM Skills Build, and I'll be introducing you what is WCP Winter Certification Program, Introduction to Applied Artificial Intelligence, Learn, Build, and Create an AI agent. Also take a walkthrough, like I'll walk through with Skills Build platform and the learning activity that you have to complete within this 2 weeks of time, and also lively demonstrate you what is how PPL learning plan looks like. And finally, I'll be letting you know the deliverables and the submissions, and that you have to submit by end of this project. I think we are good to go. And before like now, I'll just let you know what is IBM Skills Build and what you will be getting out of it, and in very 5 or 6 simple points. So first one will be exploring your new careers. So IBM platform will help careers get placed And how many of you are eagerly waiting for your fourth year if you're doing your BTech, and of your third year if you're doing your degree? So I hope everyone will be eager to get placed and start their professional life in a uh, great start. So here IBM Skills Build will help you guys to start your careers in a great way. And the second one, receive learning recommendation for today's in demand technology skills. So we know how AI, how the tech domain is uh, explore getting updated day by day. So here IBM Skills Build will be your guide, will be your teacher to guide you to upgrade your skills and keep your skill set up to the mark. And the third one will be choose the learning that is right for you. So here you'll be having a vast number of um, options for you where you can choose your own learning and you can do it wherever you want and whenever you want. And third one, practice your new skills. And IBM skills build will help you guys to uh, upgrade your skills and practice your new skills. And the next one will be earning a digital badge to demonstrate your accomplishments. So what is this digital badges in the sense? So digital badges is something you can just upload on your LinkedIn, so that it will give a demonstration of your skills on LinkedIn. And the last and most important one, you can use this application wherever you want it, because it is on your mobile. So the way you scroll your social media platforms, you can just scroll IBM Skills Build platform also, and you can get your skills done. So these are the few things that I just wanted to explain about IBM Skills Build. And moving forward, so, what are the benefits? What are the benefits that you will be getting out of this IBM Skills Build initiative? The first one will be IBM Skills Build will be providing you 85,000 uh, courses, learning activities for you, where it will help you guys to add some value to your resumes. And the next one will be IBM internships, providing project based learning to help your practice new skills like the way we are doing it now. We do also have a plenty of opportunities for you guys to be part of and get your certifications done. And the third one will be IBM certified badges. So these badges has I've already mentioned before. So these you can help uh, in your LinkedIn, so that you can showcase your skills that I do have these skills. So this will help the HRs in the industries to connect with you whether this person have the skill or not. So nowadays, no HR is sending the JD to your personal, like they're not posting it like that. Before that, they'll be just searching the candidate on LinkedIn, and then they will be just searching for the skill whether you have it or not. So here, if I am the HR, if just search about AI, so as soon as you upload this digital badge on your LinkedIn, you will be coming into the first preference of our search engine. So that's the beauty of the third one. And the fourth one will be IBM mentoring to provide you personalized guidance and support for your learning. And the last and very important point is placement assistance. So IBM, from this IBM program, will be giving you the placement assistance, so that end of your fourth year, you can crack a job and you can start your professional life. So for this, you should have your skills completed and you should have some weightage in your resume. So I hope it is clear about IBM Skills Build and what is IBM initiative is all about. So now I request everyone, please click on the registration links that we have already shared with you. I request Tanmita and Ayush, please send the same link in the chat box also. So now we will be registering the this IBM Skills Build, and we'll start the process with registering the platform. So I hope you got the link link in your WhatsApp, or as well as we'll also request our team to just post the same link here. You can just give me thumbs up uh, if you have already received the link. Yeah. So please click on the link, and you will be on this page telling here, hi there. Will like you can just see we can use my Google account. We'll just wait for your friends also. We'll just wait for 2 more minutes. Everyone to please join here. So the process is very simple. There is no a rocket science here. So the process will be very simple, and I request everyone to please follow the uh, process which I'm telling. So I got so many thumbs ups here. Can I go ahead, or anyone is facing any issue? Done. Can I think we can go ahead. So here, please select on use my Google account. Please select on use my Google account. And next, you can see a list of your Google accounts. I'll be having 3 or 4 Google accounts. So here I'll be selecting the most frequent Google account. So if in case I have a list of Google accounts here, I'll be selecting a particular one which I'll be using frequently. Yeah, can I go ahead? Yeah. So next we'll be on this page telling let's set up our profile. Here, make sure that you are not making any spelling errors, because whatever the spelling, whatever the name you're giving here, you can that will be reflected on your certificate. So make sure that you're not making any spelling errors here. And here, if my name is Sai Prasad, Matam Sai Prasad, so I'll be just typing Sai Prasad in my first name and family name as Matam. So accordingly, you can just type your name and family name. And next will be country will be India. You can just type IND. You can see the option telling India there. Once you type that, you can find the option telling location. In that location, please mention the locations, the states which where you belong to. Yeah. And one more thing, the most important thing, make sure you can see this pop-up telling under the location your sponsoring organization is CSR box. Yeah. So moving forward, we'll not waste much time on this additional information. We'll directly go to terms and conditions. Are everyone following me? Or else I'm going a bit fast. Please let me know. Just give me a thumbs up if everyone are following me. Yeah. So here you can just click on the terms and conditions. You can just check those 3 boxes, 3 or 2 boxes, and you can just click on submit. You can just click on submit, and you can see the pop-up telling S go to selection or S go to skills build. Yeah. So please click on that pop-up, and you will be on this main page. You can just select your preferred language as English. Will be on this main page. Everyone are with me on this page? Yeah. Now your account is created, and you are good to use this account. And before you doing this your courses and upgrading your skills, now I'll be explaining you about the learning plan have to submit it. Yeah. So we'll just wait for a few more minutes. Can I get uh, thumbs ups if you are done this page with me? Yeah. So here we have already shared you. We have already shared you the learning plan. So please click on the link. If not, you can just scan this uh, QR code. And you'll be on this page. So I hope you'll be getting the link box, or else you are in your WhatsApp groups. So I request Tamita, or I send a link as well in the chat box. Yeah, I think it's here. Yeah. So you can, some might, one second before going ahead, some might face error as soon as you click on this go to selection. For them, I'm just telling them what will the process. Just click on the same link that we have shared you for the registration, and click on login with Google, and you will be on this page. Yeah. So I request everyone to please click on this link, and you will be on this page. The link is in the chat box, as well as it's in your WhatsApp groups. Yeah. Can I get a thumbs up if you are on this page? Yeah. So everyone are here on this page. So we'll wait for one more minute and we can go ahead. Yeah. So I got so many thumbs ups here, so I'll go ahead. So this will be your learning plan that which you have to submit by in 2 weeks. So I'll be just going explaining you when you have to submit your projects, when you have to complete this learning plan, this particular learning plan, and what will be the structure of this learning plan, and uh, what and all courses that you have to submit. So in this, in section one, in section having one telling IBM skills build tips for your career, like how to upgrade. This will be the first certification you'll be doing, and this will I'll make sure that you are doing in this session, because you have to complete your first certification today itself. So we'll make sure that we'll be doing this, and the next section will be you'll be having three learning plans here, so three certifications here. Out of this, you have to do any two. I request everyone to please make note of this learning plan, so that I'll be explaining section by section. So what and all you have to submit by, uh, I'll just let you know the deadline also, by 23rd. It is Tuesday of this next week. So in first section, we'll be completing this activity today itself. Yes. And the second section, you'll be having three learning plans. Out of these, you have to complete two learning plans. I hope everyone are following me on this. Yeah. So next will be the final section will be the third one. Here you can find two certifications, which is about 7 hours and 10 hours. So in this, you have to complete any one. Yeah. So I'm sure everything is clear here. So first certification, we'll be doing it now itself. It is 1 hour, of course. And next one, the section two, out of three, you have to complete any two. Any two. It's up to you which one you will be selecting. And in the third section, you will be completing any one. Am I clear on this part? Yeah. So next, before as I've mentioned before, the first section, the first certification have to be done today. So here I request everyone to please click on the first certification. The first certification, IBM Skills Build presents tips for career planning. This is 1 hour of course. I request everyone to please click on that certification. Everyone following me? Yeah. So next, you can find, yeah. Next, you can find an option telling go to activity. As soon as you click activity, on this page. So please click on go to activity. Yeah, as soon as you click on go to activity, you can find this video. Everyone are on this with. Yes, please play the video once. Please play the video. Yeah, yes. You can just please play the video. I can see the reactions, telling your thumbs ups. Yeah, you can just play the video and pause it for like pause it after 2 to 3 seconds. You can just pause it. Yeah, or anyone lagging behind or anyone stuck at any moment, please let me know. Yeah, I hope everyone are with me on this. Why I asked you guys to just pause the video, because simultaneously we'll be completing our certification today, as well as I'll be explaining the deliverables that you have to submit in another two weeks. Yeah, for the learning plan. Yeah, so still facing the issue, you can just give me like let me know with the reaction, so that I'll just go through the process again. Yeah, so just click on the same this first section's video. Guys, I'm repeating it again, so please click on the 1 hour video here. So and then you just click on go to activity, and you will be on this video. Just play and pause it for few seconds, and I'll make sure whatever the video is explaining, I'll make sure that I'll explain the same thing in the session. Yeah, simultaneously I will just walk you through the deliverables and the deadlines of the projects, and I think I'm good to go. Yeah, so here I'll be explaining about the project. What is IBM Skills Build? I've explained about IBM Skills Build. Now I'll be explaining about the WCP of AI, the applied artificial intelligence, learn, build, and create an AI agent. What this program will give you? What this program will give you in these 2 weeks? What you'll be learning is you'll be learning how like what you'll be getting an experience in building a real time AI solutions with the tools that we have in the industries. And you do also learn uh, on fundamentals of AI, ML, neural networks, deep learning, and generative AI for software developments. Yeah, so here. And next, we do also create a AI voice assistance by using OpenAI ChatGPT, explore new technologies, and understand the sustainability in tech. And we do also know how booming the AI is nowadays, and how important the AI playing its role in our life. So, how many of you know that our 50% of our jobs got automated? How many of you know that? How many of you agree with me on this? How many of you agree with me on this? Yeah, yeah. I can see so many reactions here. So, 50% of our uh, tasks or jobs got automated or replaced by AI. So, if you might not agree with me, for them, what I am telling is we do use ChatGPT in our daily lives, day to day lives, right? So, in that, I'll be using ChatGPT for drafting emails. Sometimes I'll be using the ChatGPT for drafting messages also. So here, it's not making me lazy; it's making me smart. So smart in the sense, for one email drafting, I'll be taking somewhere around 15 minutes. So now I can draft the same email in 5 minutes, and I can use the same 10 minutes on some other things. Do I make sense here? Yeah. And one more thing, don't be like I'll be asking for more reactions just to understand whether you're following me or not, and don't take in a wrong way. Yeah, I'm going like now I'll be explaining the flow of the WCP Winter Certification Program. So here we do have three stages. The first stage is registering on IBM Skills Build. It will be on 15th. That means today. I think everyone are registered on this platform, and the way I've explained the learning plan completion, and you are expected to submit your learning plan on 23rd of December. That is Tuesday. Yeah, please make sure that you are noting down the dates and the dates when you are completing your learning plans. It will be 23rd of December. It's on Tuesday. Yeah, once you're done with your completion of your learning plan, simultaneously we do also have three master classes. So we do have three master classes. So we'll be sharing the links in the WhatsApp groups, and by completing the projects you'll be getting the final completion certificate. The projects will be given on the master class itself. The speakers, the experts will be giving you the projects, and you are expected to submit that assignment, and then you are eligible for getting your completion certificate. And in the third stage, you can see you can get this completion certificate as well as access to opportunity. That means your placements. So I think I'm clear on this. Yeah, I'll just repeat it once again. As first one is we'll be registering on IBM Skills Build. That means today, and you are expected to submit your learning plan, which I have explained. In the first section, we have already started. Second section, we have to do two learning plans out of three, and the third section, you are expected to any one out of two. So these are the learning plan that you have to complete by 23rd of December. And simultaneously, you'll be having master classes taken by experts, and they will be giving you the experts will be giving you the assignments. You have to submit the assignments, and then you will be eligible for your completion certificate and also your access to opportunity. Access to opportunity is your placement opportunity that which IBM we are giving it for you. Got it? I think I can go ahead. Yeah. So here, the topic, I'll just give a brief explanation about the course that which we are doing it here. So it is that we are doing it on artificial intelligence, and we do have 9,000 plus uh, participants here. We have 1,000 participants on Zoom, and rest everyone are joining on YouTube, because we are restricted for only 1,000 participants here on Zoom, and rest everyone will be on uh, YouTube, and the duration will be 2 weeks. By the end of this year, or by you'll be starting your new year with a certification in your hand. So as I mentioned, you have to just complete the process which I've told before, and you have to just complete the projects and assignments that given by the speaker, and then you will be eligible for getting your placements as well as you will be getting your completion certificate. Yeah, this will be the timeline, and the end of the program will be on 30th December. And what are the WCP elements that we are focusing on? First one, it is self-paced learning, where student will be engaged in 2 weeks, like in 2 weeks self-paced learning, where you'll be working on how to build the real-time AI solutions with the use of industry standard tools. That's the first one. And the second one, you will be having three master classes led by experts to strengthen your fundamentals of AI, ML, and other industrial tools. Yeah, the third one is you'll be submitting your projects and the assignments given by speakers or the experts by the deadline. And the most important point is you have to complete your learning plan. If you're not completing your learning plan, you will be not eligible for your completion certificate. So make sure by 23rd of December you have ample of amount of time, like you have 1 week of time from now on. So you will be submitting your learning plan certificates. Yeah, in that we are doing one certification today itself, and we expect you to complete your rest of the certification by 23rd of December. So that's the third one. And the fourth one, participants will be required to generate and submit the learning plans as I've mentioned it before by 23rd of December. And fifth one, you will be getting the IBM badges as well as certificates for the courses that you are doing. Why these IBM badges are used for? As I mentioned, you can upload these badges on your LinkedIn and you can showcase your skills that you have already completed, or else you can also showcase your certificate on LinkedIn, so that it will give you the like you it will give you the first preference in the search engines. So these are the five important points, five important elements for winter certification program. And here we'll be focusing on 3 points. First one is learn, like you'll be learning about the different skills, the tools which are booming in the real time industries. And the second one, it will grow you, it will add some value, add some weightage to your resumes, by you will be getting your certifications in particular tools or the courses you're doing. And it will also help you guys to start your professional life, where you'll be getting a job placement opportunities from this program. I hope you're following me. Yeah, can I get few thumbs up so that, yeah. So what are the benefits? What are the benefits you'll be getting out of IBM Skills Build Winter Certification Program? So first one, gain internship and full-time job opportunities. As I've already told you, so internships are very important for you guys to do it in early stage, or like in your BTech or degree, which like in your college life itself. If you're lacking in this internships or certification, uh, if someone, I do have no internships in my hand, but my friend who is having a plenty of internships, whether the HR will go to him or me. So that's a question mark you have to keep in your mind, so that you always have some interest towards the internships that we are providing, and getting the job opportunities also. And the second one, interact, network, and get mentored by industry specialists. So all your project submissions, all your projects or assignments that you are submitting, like that will be checked, or that will mentored by industry specialists or experts, and they'll be letting you know what you're lagging in, so that it's not about just correcting and giving you the grades. It's all about they're giving you some insights. How can you develop your errors, how can you rectify your errors? So always we do encourage people or students to just submit their projects, so that directly goes to the industry specialist. They'll correct your projects and they'll let you know what is the mistake, or what like how did you do in the project. And the third one, gain globally certified IBM badges and participation certificate, placement benefits, and social media promotion, and lot more. So you'll be getting IBM badges for each and every uh, digital credential that you're doing, and also certificates for each and every course that you're doing, and placement benefits also. Why this social media promotion that we have included is, as soon as you complete your learning, you can just upload those certificates or badges, which is certified by IBM. So IBM is such a globally recognized brand, so that it will give you the weightage on your LinkedIn's or in your resumes and whatever it is. So always be in a first step in the first line to complete your courses, skills, and whatever it is. And the fourth one, the fourth one is learn how to create engaging web interfaces, enhance user experience, and bring design to life through interactive elements. We do also we do also love to come to your colleges. We do also encourage every 6 months or 2 months we'll be having this PBL, so that you can be part of this and you can interact with the experts and you can get the great knowledge or great experience out of it. Yeah. And the fifth one will be connect and compete with the students across the country and grow your professional network. So here, uh, as we have requested you guys to just type your college names and which states we are from, just to make sure that everyone know that which with whom we are competing, and what is the uh, like the range of this project. So here you do have uh, colleges from West Bengal, we do have colleges from Hyderabad, Telangana, we do have colleges from Maharashtra. So here it is a platform where you can compete with your friends. You can compete with your friends from various states and various colleges. This will also help you guys to increase or improve your connects, as well as it will also help you guys to grow your professional network. Yeah. And the sixth and the last and a very important one is transform your learning into a tangible showcase for your future employers. So always these courses and the certifications which you are doing, these will be very helpful to attract the employees towards you, and just to showcase your skills and the courses that you have done, and also to add weightage to your resume. Why? Because our end of the day, our target is to get a good job, and we have to start our career with a high note. So I'm going ahead. So here I'll be explaining about the master classes when you have to submit your final project. So I request everyone to please note down of these dates as well. So here 15th will be our orientation session, which is happening now, and 17th will be your first master class. It will be on fundamentals of AI and ML. Yeah, that will be taken by the experts. I request everyone to please note down the dates, and we also share the links on the particular days or day before, so that you also have a make note of these dates. Yeah, the first date will be on 17th December. That is day after tomorrow. It will be your first masterclass on fundamentals of AI and ML. Yeah. After second, in the same master classes, you will be given the assignments that you are expected to complete. And on 19th December, you will be having your second master class that will be on industry relevant tools and practices. Yeah. And third master class, it will be on, so sorry, like it got repeated. And this the third master class will be on the real time world applications uh, and project development. These are the three master classes that you will be having. On the third master class will be having on 22nd of December. So I hope everyone have noted these dates. Yeah. And as I've already mentioned, 23rd of December will be the date for submission of your learning plan. As I've already told you, there are three sections. First section, we are completing the certification now itself, and second and third sessions, you have to complete the certification by 23rd of December. And the final submission, the final project submission will be on 29th December. So these are the important dates that you have to make note of. So last, the assignments which the experts gives you that should be submitted by 29th of December. So that means by end of this year, you'll be starting your new year with a certification in your hand. So I'll be explaining about the three master classes, what and all we have included in it. So first master class, yeah, the first master class is on fundamentals of AI and ML. So in this, you'll be learning what is AI and how intelligent system works, and how machine learning from data using ML, like you'll be learning about the machine learning techniques and basics of neural networks and deep learning, and how AI and ML are applied in industrial solutions. So this you will be getting from the masterclass 1. And masterclass 2, it will be on industry relevant tools. So you'll be getting the hands-on use of leading AI and ML tools and frameworks and techniques, and understanding the real world AI and workflows followed in the industry. And the third masterclass will be on real world applications and project development. Here you'll be learning how AI and ML is used to solve industry level problems and engineering basics, and building end to end AI solutions. And you will be also having a Q&A with the mentors for the personal guidance. So these are the things we are covering in these three master classes. And one more thing, you will be I'm again just telling and giving a reminder. You will be given a project, or you'll be given assignments to be submitted by 29th of December. It will be given by the experts themselves. Like they'll be giving you, and they'll be guiding you how to complete it. Yeah. When like, am I clear on this point? Yeah. So here, as I have already mentioned, that you have to you'll be getting the digital learning, like digital badge, so that you can upload the same badge on LinkedIn's, right? So this platform Credly, so you'll be getting a email to your registered email IDs with the link telling that your digital badges you can get it from here. So it is a just small process that I'll just explain you. You have to just sign into Credly, and you can get your badge from there. And make sure you can get your badge within 30 days of issuing itself. So that means we'll be issuing you the digital badge on 15th, and by next month 15th you have to download your digital badge, and you have to keep it safe with you, yeah, if you want to use it somewhere. So after 15th of January, if I'm issuing a digital badge today, by 15th of January the digital badge will be gone. So make sure that you're downloading your digital badge within the 30 days of the issuing. Yeah. So that was all about um, IBM Skills Build and WCP winter certification program. So here, how many of you think that internships are important? How many think that internships are important? So how many how many internships that you have done till date? Can we open this chat box for a while, like just 2 minutes? How many of you? Yeah, the chat box is open. How many of you have done your internships till then? How many? 2 1 0 0 0 2 3. Yeah, you have done a job. Someone none 0. Yeah, we can. Okay, done. So, um, 1 second. Yeah, how many of you like just how many of you think that how many internships that I have done till day? me, like me, not you. It's 100 plus 50. No. So here, why I'm asking this question is it was a one-way session, so I just want to make it as an interactive ones now. So from now on, it will be an interactive sessions at least. So now I have done my like I have done 8 to 9 internships till day. How did I do that? Like 8 to 9 internship. Yeah, someone have guessed it right. And how many? How done so many internships? So it's all about guys. It's all about the curriculum that we had in my masters or bachelor's that I was doing, and why I'm just sharing my experience here in the sense. You remember that we have started a video and paused a video, right? So in that video, the experts was sharing their sharing their things how internships played a great job, great role in their jobs or to get a great job from the starting of the careers. So here I just want to explain about my kind of a situation uh, where how did it help me and how did it play a important role um, in my just to start my career in a high note. So here I have done 8 to 9 internships, 9 internships to be precise. So how I have done is, so I used to do my masters in. So I have done the only thing was bothering us was the timing of the college. We do also have the same problem with the college timings. So our our time used to be from 9:30, and basically like we'll be starting in the at the same moment, but college used to be in the center of the city, so traffic used to be a huge problem. So at that moment we got our classes 6 o'clock in the morning. So everything was good, everything was going well. After that our department forced not forced our departments told us to complete our internship in the second half of the day. So that's how we managed to complete 8 to 9 internships, like everyone, even my classmates, everyone, we used to go to classes in the morning, go to internships in the second half. Yeah. So here, this is how I managed to get my internships, like 8 to 9 in my masters. So at that moment, I used to just think that why the department is doing like this. They would have give us rest. No, we would have taken rest for another half day. So here, after my masters, I got to know what is the importance of internships. What is the importance of projects that we are doing. Now, also, I just don't want to I just told this story just because not to showcase my how many internships that I have done. The only reason I've told here is at this moment, if your departments or your teachers, if they're forcing you'll not get to know the importance of the internship. So once you get a job and your HR will tell you, just because you have your internships in your hand, that's the reason why we have selected you. At that moment you will forget everything that which you have done in your college days. So that's how important your internships and projects are. And now let me know how if someone, if me, post internship to in your group, how many of you are ready to apply for that internship? Just give a thumbs up or no. How many of you are not interested in projects and placements? That's okay if I don't do also, that's fine for me. Yeah. So yeah, yeah, I got the responses. Yeah. So I'm very much happy that yes, I'm very much happy that you are interested in your internships and projects. I'm very much happy for that. If you think that why our institutions are forcing us to do internships and projects, please don't blame your department, because that will play a vital role in your careers. That's the first one. And the second one, how many of you have your LinkedIn profiles? How many of you have your LinkedIn profiles? Okay, there are so many responses that I'm getting. So how many of you are really active on your LinkedIn profiles? Like at least you're opening it for once or twice in a day. Yeah, I can see. So like few no's here. So how many of you are really updating your LinkedIn profiles, like that I'm studying in so and so college, that I have done so and so internship, that I have done so and so course? How many of you are updating it? So there are, I can see so many no's again. So why? So why in the sense, how many of we like we do have our social media accounts also. So we frequently upload our stories. We do also frequently post our photos on it. Why can't we just open LinkedIn and just spend 1 or 2, like not 1 hour, like at least 30 minutes to 1 hour on LinkedIn? So here it's time for us to just update your LinkedIn. First of all, I can see so many no's as soon as I ask people who have LinkedIn. As I request them to at least download their LinkedIn and go to ChatGPT, and if not, go to IBM Skills Build, and there is a skill or course telling that how to update your LinkedIn profile. So complete that. Accordingly, you update your LinkedIn's, so that it will be a very useful thing for you once you are done with your fourth year. Yeah. So here, like that's all about the LinkedIn. How many like now I'll be just asking few questions. Just let me know whether you are okay with the interviews. You can directly go sit with the people and talk. How many of you are okay going to the people and speaking? Like just going to people and speaking like that. How many of you are extroverts, to be precise? How many no's here? Yeah. So here yeah, why did I ask this question? Because how many of you have stage fear? How many of you have stage fear? Yeah, there are so many yes again. So here, why I am asking about stage fear again, in the sense, uh, it's just because there are no more interviews going on one to one. There are a panel versus you. So there will be sitting 3 or 4 people before you, and they'll be shooting you the questions. Yeah, do I make sense here? Yep. So here, if you are not overcoming your stage fear, that will be a great disadvantage for you in cracking your first job. Here again, I just want to tell my small story of mine. Okay, how many of you know that you'll be having your vivas by end of your fourth years? That you'll be asked few questions. What is this project about? And this and that. You'll be having your vivas, right? Yeah. Tanmita, we can just switch off the comment session. Yeah. So I just expect the emoji kind of reaction for now. It's fine. So how many of you have your vivas in your fourth years or final semesters regarding? Yeah. Even I just want to share my viva experience here. So end of this story, you'll be getting the great point that you can take from this session. So I was I was in my last semester. We went to Kolkata for 3 months of internship. Once we are back, we are expected to give a viva, right? So here, I presented my PPT. Everything was cool. But what happened is they started asking questions one to one. So at that moment, I was so anxious. I was literally, my hands were shaking. There is so much of sweat coming out of me. And I just told my externals, telling, sir, I can't answer this because I'm feeling so anxious. So you can just pass me or fail me. I'm going. So here I'm the person where I was just anxious about so many things, and I was unable to answer the things. But now, like my part of job, like I'm going into the colleges, one random college, I'm taking a session for hundreds of people. Like my highest session that I have taken was 700 students at a time, and I'm standing on the stage and speaking. And what made me to push to that extent? What made me to push to that extent? I call it as my positive reinforcement. My positive reinforcement pushed me from facing an anxious guy, facing a viva for three or four people in front of me, and to take hundreds of students session. So I'm not telling that I'm a great person here. I'm just telling, if you push yourself from your comfort zone to outside your comfort zone, you'll be a great example for yourself at least, right? Do I make sense here? Yeah. So here, what will be my positive reinforcement is, it might be my um, the reactions, the claps that I'm getting from my students who are sitting in my sessions. That will be the first one. And second one will be my family. Third one will be uh, my professional life will be very healthy. So these are the things motivating me every day to go onto the stage and speak. I encourage each and every student in the call now to please have your positive reinforcements, and that will push you out of your comfort zones. And one more thing, don't ever tell your positive reinforcements to anyone else, because your positive reinforcement might be a small thing for him, but it is a big thing for you. So these are the three situations that I have taken here. Why I have taken here in the sense, so the certification which we have started in the beginning of the session, we like the speakers were talking about their personal experiences that they had to just start their professional life. Here the same thing that I have done. So that's the same thing I'm following here. Yeah. And one, just give me a thumbs up if just agree with me or disagree with me. Just agree with me or disagree with me. uh, how many of you think that storytelling is the greatest weapon? Yeah, I got so many thumbs ups. So always make sure that you are using your own stories to make the session more interactive. So that's the last one I can tell. So here I just want to request you guys, or I just want to tell you one thing. The internships and the projects that you are doing it now in your first year, second year, third year, fourth year, that will help you a lot to start your professional life, professional for, like, just to succeed in your first job. And please be active on your LinkedIn profiles, so that it will help you guys to know how the organizations, how the corporates, how the professionals communicate with each other. And third one, always have your positive reinforcements just to push out of your comfort zone. Do it make sense here for these 3 points? Yeah. So moving forward, one second. So again, I just want to remind you once again. So the submission date of your learning plan will be on 23rd December 2025, right? And the second deliverable, it is on 30th or like that means before 30th of December, you have to submit your final deliverable that is given by the experts. Yeah. Please make sure that you are noting these dates which have given before. So these are the dates. I just want you guys, I just want again to just recall the dates because we had a good talk in between. So that's the reason why I just want to give these dates to you once again. So make sure that you are noting down these dates once again. So registration that we have already done today, that is 15th December, and what the 23rd December will be exactly 7 days from today. It will be your submission of learning plan, and the second stage simultaneously you will be having master classes on particular days. I'll just mention those dates also. So 17th December will be your first master class. 17th December will be your first master class. That will be on AI fundamentals and AI ML fundamentals. And the second one will be industry relevant tools. And the third one will be real world application and project development. So make sure that you are noting down these dates so that you'll be not occupied, or you can plan accordingly your day. So 17th will be your first master class, 19th will be your second master class, and second will be your third master class. And submission of your learning plan will be on 23rd of December, that means 7 days from here, and 29th of December will be your final submission. So this is the time plan that this is the time plan that you will be timeline that you'll be following for these 2 weeks. And make sure, I hope everyone have noted these dates. Yeah. And one more thing, this is the platform where you will be getting your digital badges. So the digital badges will be there only for 30 days after your issuing. Yeah, make sure you'll be getting a mail to your registered mail ID, so you can get your digital badge here. Yeah. So these are the deliverables. Why I'm stressing on these dates again, just to make sure that you are noting down these dates, as well as we will be sending the dates again. We'll be sending the dates on your WhatsApp groups. And please be active on your WhatsApp groups, like active in the sense like please have a look whatever the message that we have shared on that. And these are the two deliverables that you have to submit. And the request is of the program is the first one, completion of the assigned courses, the learning plan that I have told you. And second one will be submission of the deliverables on time. So if you are submitting a day after the deadline, that will be not considered. So make sure that you are submitting or completing your learning plans before the deadline itself. Got it? Can I get few thumbs ups here? I think everyone are following me. Yeah. So all make sure that you have to submit your assigned courses or the submissions. We have like submit before the deadline itself. Yeah. And second one, the submission of deliverables on time. Third one, all of you, I request everyone to please be part of master classes. If you're master classes, again the attendance will be taken end of the master classes. Even today I'll be sharing the attendance sheet. We'll cross check each and every one, like whether they have attended it or not. 3 points that we are requesting, like from your end. And one more thing, the assignments will be given by the experts on the masterclass day, like masterclasses itself. So we are expected to submit by 29th of December. So I hope everything is clear. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's exactly an hour when we have started the course. So can we just go into the process again where we have started our uh, certification? Please open your mobiles or open the window which you have just played and pause the video. Where like just open the open your the video which we played in the earlier and pause the video. Just open it. Everyone are following me on this? Yeah. So please click, just come back from the video. Just you can see the video, right? You just come back from the video. If you're unable to come back, if the entire app is closing, just open the previous tab of the Chrome. Yeah, you can see a pop-up telling is mark as complete. You can say it. Can I get a thumbs up if you're saying it? Yeah. So here just mark as click on it. See a pop-up again telling the duration. The duration here, just please click on the submit button. Here you can see the submit button, right? You just please click on the submit button, and you will be on this. You will be on the main page again. You will be on the main page, right? Everyone telling there'll be a pop-up telling success. You can just give me a thumbs up if you're on the main page again. Yeah. So there you can find, if you're on a system, if you're on a laptop or a system, you can find a pop-up telling actions. Yeah. People who are, so if some might get error at this moment, as soon as you come back from the video, yeah, please open the same link and type digital, like just type the learning. You can find the completion certificate there. So you can find option telling actions just below the mark as complete. If you are on a system, right, there you can find the first option telling view certificate. How many of you can see that? Yeah, just click on the same option. You can see your certificate like this. This will be your certificate. Got it? Guys, anyone facing any error, please click on the same link. As of now, you can just save this certificate. You can see a print option there. You just click on the print option, and then you can save to your device. For the people who is getting error at this moment, please click on the same link, like the learning plan, so you can find our first certification telling completed. So you can download your certification from there. Got it? Anyone facing any error or any query regarding this? We do also share a query form with you once the session is done. So I request everyone to, if you have any query regarding any process, you can just give us a message or you can just fill that form. We'll be addressing it. Yeah. So here again, I'll just brief you about the WCP Winter Certification Program. The orientation session, it is done, and the learning will be self-paced learning, that you'll be attending the sessions online, and you are expected to complete the learning plan by next 7 days. That means 23rd of December. And master classes will be taken by the experts, and experts will be giving you the assignments. So once you'll be working on the assignments, and you'll be delivering the assignments before the deadline. That means 29th December, before 30th. This is how your certificate will look like. So for this certificate, you are expected to complete your learning plan as well as your assignments given by the experts. I hope it was a great session. I didn't made it more uh, lengthy or bored, and I hope your evening went good. And yeah, so this is all about the orientation. So I request everyone to be active on the WhatsApp groups, and if there is any query, you can just fill the query form. Yes. Yeah, I think we are good. We are good to go, Tanvika. We're done.
So, Sai, I have shared the attendance form in the chat box, and I hope our team members are sharing in WhatsApp as well. So, I request everyone to mark your attendance, as your speaker has already discussed that by completing today's learning, today's activity, the first activity that Sir has helped you to complete, that certificate you need to upload and you need to mark your attendance. So, completing the activity is very important, and also completing your learning plan is also very important to become eligible for the next steps and for the final completion certificate as well. So I hope you have received the attendance form. I request everyone to fill this attendance form. Thank you. Please stay in this meeting, because we'll also be sharing a query form. Also, because I know you all will be having a lot of questions or doubts regarding the learning plan or any errors that you face while completing the learning plan. So we will address all your queries through the query form. So we are sharing the query form here again after few minutes. Once you are done filling the attendance form, we will be sharing the query form as well. And please, you can use the query form to share your queries, any doubts that you're facing. But because when you directly text us over WhatsApp, we receive a lot of messages, and many of your messages get disappear or doesn't come up clearly to us, and we just trying our best to reply all of you. So query form is the best option to reach out to us. So please mark your attendance.
People who got error, I'm repeating the process once again. So please click on the learning plan link once again. Guys, once again, you please click on the learning plan and just open the first certification. There you can see mark as complete option. Yeah, you can click on mark as complete, and then you can get your certification from the actions. Like you can find the option telling actions. So from there you can get your certification. And for the people who are doing the certification in mobile, so you can just click on once you are done with your mark as complete. you can just click on the three dots on the top corner, and then from there you can get your certification. I hope it is clear. And yeah.
Okay, Sai, so I'm sharing the query form link as well here.
Yeah.
So I'm asking students to use that form and submit your queries.
And also make sure that you're filling your attendance sheet also. That will help us to see whether you have attended the session or not. So make sure that you're filling the Google form. Without filling the Google form, if you leave the call, again it will be very difficult for us to track whether you have joined the call or not. Please fill the Google forms.
Okay, I see a lot of
So
thumbs
thumbs
down.
down.
And
Yeah.
yeah, so Ayush, can you open the chat box for a few minutes so that
Chat
we
box
can
for a while.
understand the reason why, like what is the issue they are facing, then we can address it here.
Attendance link. No forms. There. One second. Most of the messages are for attendance sheet. It will be in your WhatsApp groups.
So attendance link has been shared in this chat box as well, and
As
also shared in your WhatsApp groups. I hope my team members have shared in all the WhatsApp groups, but I still see so many thumbs down. So is there any other issue you are facing, like not getting your certificates or having issues with your learning plan? Please mention in the chat box. I have asked my team member to keep the chat box open for a few minutes so that we can understand the issue that you are facing. Anuj Singh, can you share your issue? What issue you are facing right now? Anuj Singh, I can see your names as well. I can call out your names to understand what is the issue you are facing here. Irfan, yes, please use the chat box. I request everyone to use the chat box. Like I can't see messages, all your messages. Wait. Okay,
yeah,
okay, okay,
the
okay,
link.
okay. Wait. I think there's an issue with the attendance, like not the with the link, but the chat where I have shared is, I think it's an issue. Okay. Okay, now can you all see the attendance form?
Rekha Kumari, how to access the certificate. So
This is
for Rekha Kumari and Rahul, um, I'm just repeating the process again. So if you are logging in with your like you are doing this activity with your laptop, you can just click on mark as complete. You can find actions as the options. So in that action, you can find your certificate. The first video completion certificate will be the certificate. But if you are logging in or doing this activity in your mobile, so if you're doing it in your mobile, once as soon as you complete the certification, the three dots on the top corner, you can just click on the three dots on the top corner, and you can see the view completion certificate option, the first option. So that's how you can get it. And yeah, like certificate again, like I have repeated the process again. So make sure you are following that. You can download the certificate by Harshit. You can download the certificate by clicking on share option or else print option. You can find it there. So print and there is you can find the option telling save as PDF. You can save it as PDF.
S- Sai, I wanted to share something about the certificate part. So the in the PPT, the screenshots that you have seen is the screenshots of from the laptop. Like whoever will
Yes.
open it in the laptops, you will see the option after opening the video, entering into the video, watching the video. When you will come back to the previous page, you will see when you are using it in your laptops, you will see that the action option will be there just under go to activity. Okay, so if you click on action after marking it complete, when you come back to from the video, after playing the video, when you come back, you will see mark complete option will pop up. And when you mark it complete, then you will see that the action option will be there in your laptops. So when you will click on the action option, you will see view your completion certificate option will come up. Okay, so this won't be coming up unless you have watched the video or marked it as complete. Okay, second is those who are using it on have opened on your phones, you will see when you will come back, you will see mark complete option will pop up in your phone pages. Then once you mark it as complete, you will see the activity. When you first click on to the go to activity option, you have seen how it looks. The activity opens up, and like right hand side above the page, you will see there are three dots. If you click on the three dots, you will see view your completion certificate will pop up. This is for those who are opening from your phones. Okay, so if you click on that those three dot, these are for those who are using your phones, not your laptops. In laptops, action option will come, but in your phones the three dots will appear, and if you click on that, you will get your view completion certificate option, and you click on that and you will get your certificate. If you find it difficult to download it by chance, then you can easily save it, download it. But if you think that you are not understanding, then you can simply take a screenshot and mark your attendance. Okay, so I'm for the last time, I'm again sharing the attendance link and also the query form link again here. I've shared it before as well. uh, Mark your attendance and then we can wrap the session.
So the three dots in the mobile will be top corner, on the top corner. No action option is seen here. If you're doing this activity in your mobile, you can't find this option of action. If you're on your mobile, you can just see the three dots. You're on top, right? You can see, you can just open, you can see an option there.
I think we are done with the queries.
Yeah. If there are any specific queries, right, you can just fill the form, query form. You can address it.
Okay. Thank you, Sai, for
Yeah.
today's orientation session, and I hope students have understood what all they need to complete. And as we have already shared the links here and also in the WhatsApp groups, the recording of the orientation will also be shared. Do not worry. Those, if your friends haven't been able to join today's orientation, do ask them to go through the WhatsApp, and where we will be sharing all the updates and the recordings as well. And any other queries, do use the query form and we will address all your queries. I think we can now wrap up the session. Yes, Sai?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. And I request everyone to please be part of master classes. get your assignments and submit all the requirements on time. I request everyone to please submit your assignments and everything on time. That's it. Yeah, I'm good from my side. Kanita.
Okay, thank you so much for joining. Hope to see you all in the first masterclass and the other two masterclasses as well, because you'll be getting the subject experts. So be consistent, and any queries that you face, please use the query form. We will be clearing all your doubts. I'm repeating it again. Thank you so much for joining in today's orientation session. Have a good day. Thank you.